This built-in electric oven from Samsung is ideal if you're looking for a model with innovative technology to make cooking effortless. With a large 70-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a defrost and grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure, as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. What makes this model really special is Samsung's flexible dual-cook technology, which uses an insulated divider to split the cavity in half to create a double oven. This means you can whip up 2 different dishes simultaneously, using different cooking functions, durations, and temperatures in each half, without the flavors and odors transferring. This model has handy telescopic shelf runners, which make accessing your food even easier. The runners allow the shelves to be fully extended so you can reach your food without fuss. And because they slide out so smoothly, you won't have to worry about trays tipping over. So you'll avoid any unwanted spillages and you'll be able to reach your meals effortlessly. If you're looking for an electric oven with innovative technology to make cooking effortless, this built-in electric model from Samsung is perfect for you.